Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. In this video, I will be discussing the most asked HR interview questions. Now, these HR questions are almost asked in every company, that is either it is TCS or Wipro or any Capgemini. So these are the most common interview questions which are asked in the HR interview rounds. Now in this video, I will be taking 9 such questions and I will be giving you the sources from where you can prepare your answer. So guys, make sure that you watch this video till the end because it will be helpful for you in every company you will be giving the interview. So guys, now let's start this video, and before starting the video, please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel. Okay, so the first question is, tell me about yourself. Now this question can be asked you in technical round as well as it can be asked you in HR round. Now when you have been asked about yourself, these are certain points you have to take into consideration. First of all, you should tell them about your education, then you should tell them about your skills, and you should tell those skills only in which you are confident in, because most of the questions in the interview can be asked from this section only. Now next is the about your internships and the projects you have done during your college period. Now the next point you can consider is that about your extracurricular things and hobbies, like you like to play guitar or you like to sing songs or listen to music. So you can include all these kind of things in tell me about yourself. Now one thing to note here is that you should not take more than 1 minute to describe yourself. It should be short and crisp for your answer. Now the next question is, tell about your projects. Now yes, this question again can be asked in an HR interview also. It is not necessary that the projects related question can only be asked in technical round. It can be asked in HR round as well. Now when you have been asked to tell about your projects, what all points you should cover, these points are must. You can add on things on yourself, but these points are must. First point is what your project do, that you have to explain everything that your project does. Second thing is what are the technology stack you have been used in this project, like you have used machine learning or you have used Python, which database you have used. So all these things you have to tell to them. Next thing is you should be prepared that what all during the project, what all problems you faced. So you have to describe every problem you have faced in your projects. Now next point you should consider is that how you overcame these problems. So let's suppose you are doing a machine learning project and your data is very large. So how the problem you can face is that how to store that data. Now you have to tell the solution you have overcame to this problem. So this was the second question. You have to include all these points so that your answer can become good. Now the next question is, and this is the most common question asked, and you have listened about this question also, that is, why should we hire you? Now there is no particular framework for this particular question. It is dependent on candidate only, that how he or she gives the answer. Now I will give you the link in the description box for the sample questions, sample answers you can give. So this is the link that is of IndiaBix only. Now here there are certain examples, samples given for this particular question. So you can read all these samples and you can collaborate these samples to make your answer and give it to the interviewer. Okay, so the next question is, where do you see after 5 years? Again, there is no perfect answer for this particular question. It only depends on the candidate on how he sees himself after 5 years. He may be in the same job or he may switch the careers. So again, I will be giving you the link in the description box for the sample answers for this question. So here also more than 10 sample answers is there on this link. So you can go through them and you can make up your answer, that where do you see yourselves after such years. Now the next question is, what do you know about the company? So again, it will be asked in every company you will be given interview it, whether it be TCS, Wipro or any other company in which you will be giving the interview. Okay, so all the things that you should know about the company. First of all, what are the major technologies on which the company works? Now who is the CEO of the company, current CEO of the company? Where is company's main headquarters? Like for example, there is a company ABC and his headquarters is in Delhi. So you must know that where is the company's main headquarters, not all branches but main headquarters. Now the next and the most important point is, what are the recent achievements of company? So if you are giving interview of TCS, you should know that in recent time what are the achievements of company. So if you know these things, it will give a good impression on the interviewer that yes, you do want this job very badly. Okay, now the next question is, tell about your strengths and weaknesses. Now guys, in this question most people make mistake that they tell their strengths, 2 or 3 strengths they tell, but they do not tell their weaknesses. They tell that we do not have any weakness. So this will put a very bad impression on the interviewer. So for this particular thing, you must prepare at least 2 strengths of yourself and at least 2 weaknesses of yourself. So when the interviewer asks them, you should describe both strengths and weaknesses. Now it will bring a more value to your answer if you will be accompanying these strengths and weaknesses with a real life example. Like, let's say your strength is, I am a team leader, so this is your strength. So you should have a real life example that where you encountered that this is your strength and where you encountered that this is your weakness. So it will again put a lots of value in your answer if you will give a real life example. Now the next question is, are you willing to relocate? So again, this question is completely dependent on the candidate. If he is willing to relocate, he should tell yes, and if he is not willing to relocate, he can say yes or no depending on his or her choice. Okay, the next question is, are you comfortable with the night shifts? So again, see, the shifts in a company will always depend on the project. It will not depend on your answer. If you will say no, then also they can give you night shifts, and if you will say yes, then again you can be given the night shifts. These are particularly in the service based company that they do not listen to your answer about these things. So again, you can say either yes or no, but it will not make an impact on your final shifts. So it can be night or it can be day also. Now the next question is, are you comfortable with the bond? So again, this is the last question of this video, and yes, certain companies offer bond, but if you are, let's suppose TCS offers a 1-year bond, and if you are giving the TCS interview, then yes, you should tell that yes, I am comfortable with bond, because if you will say no, see, TCS will give you bond. If you say no or yes, it will give you bond. But if you will say yes, then your job position will be secured and it will not be removed because of this particular answer. But if you will say no and the company is giving you bond, then it might be the opposite case. So you should study this well before giving a company's interview, whether that company offers a bond or not. And yes, you should tell them that yes, you are comfortable with bond. Okay, so these were the 9 questions that were most asked in the HR interviews, especially in the service based companies, and two answers, that is, where do you see after 5 years and why should we hire you. These both answers I will give you the link in the description box so that you can see the sample answers and you can prepare your own. So guys, this was it for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you want more such videos, please like this video and comment down. Guys, if you have not joined my Telegram group till now, please join it. I post regular updates on different companies which are getting hired. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video.